Yes? I'm ready to do my civic duty. It says I was registered September 30th, 2016. You should have one coming soon.
Yep,
Please
we
refer to your
registered
sample
to vote.
ballot for polling place information.
Doing our duty. Does it say when we have to vote?
Number 8.
November 8th?
Yeah, that's the presidential.
I mean, where? I meant where.
Oh, I don't know. It says refer to your sample ballot.
Blueberries. Blueberry. Blue. No eating the camera. So this will be my first time voting, and this will be your second time voting, right?
Yep. In our whole lives.
Yeah. Pretty exciting.
Yeah. I don't remember voting when I was younger.
No.
I never remember voting. I don't remember. I never voted for Reagan or Bush or anything.
Well, I mean, the election happens like once every 4 to 8 years, so you
Yeah.
figure that's like a huge chunk of time in between. Where are you going, little man?
I don't really care about local.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, of course you
cares?
can vote for the local stuff.
Whoever you're going to have, just put him in there. It's not like
Pluie is like, you are like an expert walker at this point.
Yes, sir, you are.
No, he doesn't have any clothes. Our friends and family ask us why Pluie doesn't wear any clothes.
Yeah.
Why is that boy always naked?
Why is that little boy always
If he didn't have to wear a diaper, he wouldn't be wearing a diaper. When you're home and you're cozy, what the heck? It's gotta be cozy.
Yeah, man. Be cozy.
And it's warm, we got the heat on, it's fall, and the oven is on, so what are you gonna do?
I was gonna poke the squash to see if it was cooking.
Oh yeah, show us what you're making.
I got a little baby running around.
Well,
Pluie, no.
I'll keep him over here. Pluie, stay over here, that's hot.
It's hot, Pluie.
That's hot.
Oh, it's starting
It's
to
a
get soft.
hot.
Yeah, it's
Hot oven.
I'm gonna let it go.
So
for now.
it's buttercup squash,
Yeah,
right?
buttercup squash.
Are you gonna have some buttercup squash? You gonna have some buttercup squash? Huh?
Yeah. And here we got pickled potato,
And we got pickled potato
carrot soup.
Show us the pickled potato soup. Looks yummy.
I just gotta let everything get
And
soft.
Pluie's veggie burger.
Yep, that's Pluie's little plate.
'Cause he can't have soup.
Nah, wouldn't work out. One day, you think that'll be a coming of age thing when he's old enough to have soup. You sure, son? You gotta be careful. The soup is hot.
Yeah. And I bet you he'll do it all on his own just one day. He'll be like,
Yeah.
I want this soup.
Can I have some of that, Dad? Sure. Can I have some of that, Dad? My coffee? All right, go ahead.
He likes coffee.
Oh yeah, I love the coffee. The café con leche
Yeah.
and sugar. Café con leche and
Because he's-
azúcar. I should try one of these days to make a fruit soup, like apple soup or melon soup.
I don't think so.
You don't think it would work?
Close enough.
This.
Are you burping too?
Yeah, was it a hard day, Pluie? Did we have a hard day? Oh, yeah. Oh, I had a hard day. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he does that because he comes in here and runs around like I do.
Yeah.
And going,
You were.
hard day. See, just like that. To him, it looks like I'm just mindlessly meandering around.
Yeah.
So he does the same thing. But I'm like going to the bathroom, going here, and he just, I don't know why Daddy does this.
Pluie is ready. Pluie, are you hungry?
Students, are you ready?
Dinner's ready for you.
Begin.
Come. Come, Pluie. on, Bailey. Come. Prepared dinner for you. Come on, little one. Yummy. You hungry? Beets. Veggie burger. Pickles. Your favorite. Yummy. And yep, your water. Hey, hey, hey. Could you sit down, please? Are you blowing bubbles? I think you are. It's our cup from Moe's we got the other day. He loves this cup. You want to play with the straw? I'm going to put it back here so you could play, so you could use it later. Okay? Eat. Eat. Pink has like a whole buffet down here. She eats all the veggie burger. I think the bread. Pink, you don't want any bread?
Hey! Outside.
Go ahead,
Outside.
Pink.
Let's go.
Time for the walk. Okay, go. Have fun.
Alright, we'll see you soon.
He's so excited.
Yeah.
Be careful with the stairs. Throw your shoe.
Hey! No! Here, downstairs, Pete. Downstairs. Pluie! Let's go.
Little rascal. You little rascal.
Wait, I gotta put my shoes on.
Where you going?
No, Pluie, no! Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. Let's go. Let's go, come on. Come on, hey, let's go. Let's go, come on. Let's go.
Woo!
Let's go.
Okay.
Come on, let's go, buddy. Let's go.
Okay, it's time for your walk. Are you ready to go? Ooh.
No. We're going for a walk.
Going for a walk. We'll play with shoes later. Okay, be careful out there.